What happens when students stop becoming just a learner and start becoming a teacher? Today, we tried exactly that. Today, at Innovative Academy, we conducted a student teaching sessions where students don't just learn the topic, they understand it and explain it to others. Firstly, Zed explained us about something that we see in our day-to-day life but rarely think about it, the satellite.
Good morning. My name is Ed from Innovative Academy. So today's topic is why doesn't satellite fall on Earth? First, I will tell you about what is satellite. An object which moves around the Earth's orbit is known as satellite. So there are two types of satellite. One is natural satellite. Natural satellite is a thing which is made naturally like Earth's moon or Jupiter moons. It is formed naturally. And second is artificial satellite. Artificial satellite is made by humans. It is man-made. So it gives information about communication, weather forecast, etc. Then I will ask one question to Sakib. Satellite ऊपर जाने वाला, अभी उसकी स्पीड बहुत है. Satellite ऊपर जाने वाला, नीचे जाने वाला, क्या वो अर्थ के साथ रिवॉल्व होता है?
ऊपर जाने वाला.
You are wrong. Satellites revolve due to the gravitational force of Earth. It tries to go upwards because of its high velocity, speed, mass, but Earth's gravity pulls the satellite downwards. It pulls, but satellite also have high velocity, and because of its high velocity, it's rotate around the Earth.
Then I took a simple concept that we use in our day-to-day life, electricity, and explained how it is generated. Hi everyone, today we are going to know what is electricity, how it is generated. So before we start, I want to ask Zed. Zed, what do you think is the main source of electricity?
I think main source of electricity is water.
Okay, Zed thinks it is water. Sakib?
I think electricity.
Mujib, any guesses?
I think heat.
What?
Heat.
Pass to them behind. What you both think? Main source of energy in this universe?
I think so. Water.
And her?
Water.
All of them has tried good, but water is a source of electricity through which we can convert electricity on the earth. By the way, in reality, in this whole universe, before it was formed, we don't know which was the main source. But after it is formed, we know in solar system it is our sun. Why it is? Because of it we get heat, light, water movement, wind, everything is with that only. And also gravity, it is also because of sun. So next thing I want to ask, can you create electricity or you convert it?
We can convert electricity.
Okay, it is correct. We can convert electricity. Now I have a question. What we can convert? As we discussed, sun. It is our sun. It gives us some rays on our earth. Now this, we have a solar panel. Solar panel is one of the most eco-friendly way of generation of electricity. What it does is use this UV rays and light and convert it into electricity that we can use in our home. Now they said water. That is also correct. The rivers are flowing. What we do is we put a turbine here. What this turbine is, it has this type of structure. These are its turbines, like we have for fan. Now what it does, water goes in it and this moves. Now once this start moving, the motor shaft is moving. Now I have a question, like this motor is moving and we get kinetic energy from electricity. उल्टा भी तो हो सकता है, राइट? तो हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी है यहाँ पे हम जनरेटर डाल देंगे. अभी जनरेटर क्या करेगा, एक काइनेटिक एनर्जी को सिंपली कन्वर्ट कर देगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के अंदर. अरे हम हमारी लाइट, मोबाइल, चार्जिंग, एवरीथिंग वी कैन यूज इट. ना इसके जनरेशन के काइनेटिक एनर्जी के अंदर डिफरेंट वे. फर्स्ट इज थ्रू वाटर, वी बिल्ड डैम. देन उसके बाद विंड, विच वी आर सेटअपिंग अप ऑन द टेरेस. विंड टर्बाइन, जो आसपास की विंड है उसे कन्वर्ट करेगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में. उसके बाद विंड हो गया. एंड विंड के बाद सोलर एज वी हैव डिस्कस, और एक नई चीज है राइट, पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक. हैव यू हियर्ड एनीवन पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक? द चाइनाज और जापान स्ट्रीट generating. Okay, what it does is when we are walking we have chemical energy, we walk and that becomes kinetic energy. अब जब हम चल रहे हैं, अभी समझो चल रहे हैं, ये प्रेस होगा डाउन, इट हैज रेक्टेंगुलर ट्रायंगल शेप, अरे प्रेस होगा और नीचे एक मटेरियल होगा कॉर्ड सेल्स which is also said like for a fact it is in pyramids and all. So that what this cord cell does is, if we press this cord cell, it has positive and negative terminal, it generates electricity through it. फिर ये हो गया पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक. ऐसे मल्टीपल थिंग्स है, वो आइदर सन और ग्रेविटी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी, मतलब एनर्जी बस कन्वर्ट हो रही है, एनर्जी इज नॉट क्रिएटेड नॉट डिस्ट्रॉयड, बट एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में जा रही है. और एनर्जी जब ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रही है ना, कुछ एनर्जी वेस्ट हो रही है. हम खा रहे हैं, कुछ एनर्जी हीट फॉर्म में वेस्ट हो रही है राइट. कुकिंग के टाइम पर स्टीम निकलता है, उसमें वेस्ट हो रही है. तो इस वेस्ट एनर्जी का यूज भी होता है लाइक हीट से वी गेट वार्मथ एंड ऑल. तो ये एनर्जी को जितना इफिशिएंटली कन्वर्ट कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज एट दिस स्टेज इवन विद काइनेटिक एनर्जी, जो मोटर होता है, बेस्ट मोटर इज समथिंग नियोडायनामिक मोटर. It has a magnet which is the most powerful magnet in this world. ये 95% कन्वर्ट कर सकता है, इतना 95, लेकिन 100% नहीं, 5% एनर्जी वेस्ट ही हो रही है. So if we can convert this to 100% ना, then जो 60% ना कोल मैक्सिमम होता है. कोल क्या होता है, बर्न होता है, स्टीम निकल गई, टर्बाइन होता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनती है. 60% in this world 60% electricity is because of coal. इसी से pollution हो रहा है, तो future generation will suffer. We are also suffering. It is the very much polluted like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. So if we can convert it into 100%, hope so our Indians, everybody will work on it, and people like Zaid and Mujib, those are interested in physics, can work on this. And India and the world will be proud, and our future generation can live happily. Thank you. And it wasn't just that. We gave students chance to introduce themselves, talk about their goals, and express what they want to become in the future.
Myself Ali Arif Mujawar. My favorite subject is science, and my aim is become doctor. And I want to become a gynac. The gynac is becoming for a woman's body. Some moms are not comfortable to talk with male doctors, and that's a reason to become a female doctor. Thanks.
So why do we conduct such a sessions at Innovative Academy? Because our goal isn't to make students complete the syllabus. We want students to understand what they're learning, think on it, ask questions, build things, and most importantly, gain the confidence to express what they know.
जिस तरह से ये मुजावर सर ने एक कंसेप्ट रखे है इस क्लास के, कि बच्चों को जो समझ कर पढ़ना चाहिए, जो भी सब्जेक्ट है, जैसा कि अभी आप सैटेलाइट का कुछ अपने को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है या फिर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, ये जनरली हम इसका यानी ऊपर का नॉलेज लेते हैं, डीप नॉलेज नहीं रहे. तो एक्चुअली ये जो बेस है क्लास का, अभी तक मैं जो समझ रहा हूँ वो है कि डीपली नॉलेज. और जब कंसेप्ट कोई क्लियर होती है कोई भी विषय में, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट में, तो बच्चा उसे अच्छी तरह से प्रेजेंट कर सकता है, लिख सकता है. और ये कंसेप्ट उस बच्चे के लिए, फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत ही बेहतर रहेगी.
Sir are giving education, not a basic education only notebook and class. He are giving up a future education to you. How can you will go to in life? That practical how is different and basic is how different.
ये तो बहुत ही मुझे गोल्डन चांस या फिर डायमंड चांस लगता है कि हमारे बच्चों को इस क्लास में पढ़ने का मौका मिल रहा है.
And that's something I personally believe in too. Through Think with Shayan, I want to share what I'm learning, what I'm building, and the concept I'm trying to understand. And through Innovative Academy, We are trying to create an environment where all the students get this opportunity to learn, think, ask, explain, and grow. Because education shouldn't only prepare you to answer the question, it should prepare you to think. And this was just one student teaching session at Innovative Academy. There is a lot more coming. So why are you waiting for? With Innovative Academy, let us learn, think, build, express, and grow.